In front of me is VIVO X80 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluids. Begin by opening Play Store and clicking on the search bar. Then type in Magic Fluids and download this app called Magic Fluids Lite Fluid Sim from Mad Scientist developer. When your app is ready, open it, and to mute the music, click at the bottom left corner. Then wait for the pop-up and hit consent. Finally, you can select this gear at the top left corner. Manage all of those options however you want to. Or click presets on the left and click on the best one for you. Then tap on yes to load it and adjust all of those options for your chosen preset. Following that, click at the top right corner, bottom right corner, and select Set as Live Wallpaper. Then tap on Yes, click Apply, and decide where you wish to apply it, on home screen or home screen and lock screen. I will go with home screen only, so when I tap and close Magic Fluids app, I can state my wallpaper was successfully applied. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!